In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up AI agents on Wix step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Wix has introduced powerful AI agents that can help you with marketing, customer support, and front desk interactions. And once you set them up correctly, they can save you hours of manual work. If you're building a business website, an online store, or a service-based site on Wix, this is something you definitely want to take advantage of. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log into your Wix account. Make sure you're logging in with the account that manages the website where you want to add the AI agents. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your site, including design, marketing, and automation tools. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar in your Wix dashboard. Scroll through the options until you find the section labeled AI Agents. Click on AI Agents to continue. This section is where Wix houses all of its AI-powered assistants that help automate different parts of your business. After clicking AI Agents, you'll see multiple options available. From here, click on Marketing Agent. The Marketing Agent is designed to help you with promotional tasks, customer engagement, and automated marketing activities. This is especially useful if you want to grow your traffic or manage campaigns more efficiently without doing everything manually. Once you're inside the Marketing Agent section, you'll see additional agent types you can configure. Click on Front Desk Agent. The Front Desk Agent is responsible for handling visitor interactions, answering common questions, and guiding users when they land on your website. This agent can act like a virtual receptionist for your business, available around the clock. Now that you're in the Front Desk Agent area, look for the option labeled Custom Agent and click on it. This is where the real customization happens. A custom agent allows you to tailor the AI's behavior to match your business needs, your brand voice, and the type of questions your visitors usually ask. Wix will guide you through an onboarding flow where you can define what the agent should do, how it should respond, and what information it should use. Take your time here and be as specific as possible when setting things up, because the better your inputs, the smarter and more helpful your AI agent will be. You can configure things like greetings, common questions, response tone, and how the agent escalates conversations when needed. Once you've completed the setup, save your changes and make sure the agent is activated. After activation, your AI agent will start working on your site automatically, helping visitors and supporting your business in real time. That's all there is to setting up AI agents on Wix. You've now successfully navigated the dashboard, enabled AI agents, and created a custom front desk agent for your website. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, AI tools, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.